Hey there, I'm Lokesh and today we will get you started with your ZEISS ScanPort. In this getting started, I'll be teaching you how to scan your first part with the ZEISS ScanPort. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. Before we start, I want to highlight that in this video we will be covering the basic functions of ZEISS ScanPort and ZEISS Inspect. In the following getting started videos, we will dive deeper into the enhanced automation capabilities using predefined templates and user-independent workflows. Check them out if you want to benefit from everything that ZEISS ScanPort has to offer. The ZEISS ScanPort is the idle scanning solution for a wide range of applications. One of them is additive manufactured parts. For 3D prints for already existing parts, you could start off with scanning the original part and sending the generated STL to your printer. Another option is to create the CAD surface of your scanned part first to redesign it. Next to this, ZEISS ScanPort can be used to verify your 3D printed part and compare it with the actual CAD model. Let's take a closer look and let me explain how it works. Here we have a 3D printed impeller that we want to scan and inspect. Let's put our part onto the rotation table and go to the software. With the ZEISS ScanPort, we can adjust the distance between the sensor and the part. The distance radar on the right side will help you position the sensor at the right stand of distance. Next to this, we can set the number of rotations and angles to start the scanning process. The software will automatically detect the correct exposure time to scan the part and will also differentiate between the part itself and the background. By pressing OK, we start the defined scan sequence. The software is steering this axis to scan the part. All data is automatically verified to ensure the integrity of our scan. As we scan the part, you can see the data being built up on the screen as we go. You can see here how fast and easy it is to scan with Scan 1 in this configuration. Due to the reference points on the plate, the different scans are automatically transformed to each other, resulting in one perfect 3D mesh. After the scan sequence for scanning the top side is finished, we flip the part over and capture the bottom side with the same sequence. While the system is scanning, we have both hands free to do other tasks like preparing another part. Now that the scans are finished, both are automatically aligned by the software. Here are other scan results. We just received a highly detailed mesh from our complete part describing all features of the part. Since we have scanned our part from both sides, we have a perfect digital twin of the part. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any issues with your ZEISS ScanPort, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetallurgy.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.